Do this every morning to make hard work feel easy. Hard work doesn't feel hard because the task is difficult. It feels hard because your brain is unprepared. The first 30 minutes after you wake up decide how effort will feel for the rest of the day. During this window, your brain is highly suggestible. Whatever pattern you follow here becomes the default setting for your motivation, focus, and discipline. Most people destroy this window instantly. They grab their phone, they flood their brain with dopamine, and then they wonder why work feels heavy all day. If you want hard work to feel easier, you don't need motivation. You need neural momentum. Here's the exact morning system. Rule 1. Delay dopamine for 30 minutes. Your brain runs on contrast. If your day starts with pleasure, effort feels painful. If your day starts with effort, effort feels normal. No phone, no social media, no entertainment. This isn't about willpower. It's about training your brain to associate mornings with action, not comfort. When dopamine is delayed, your brain becomes more sensitive to reward later. Work feels more satisfying. Progress feels addictive. Rule 2. Do one hard thing immediately. Not everything, just one uncomfortable task. Cold water on your face, 10 push-ups, writing one paragraph, studying for 10 minutes. This sends a powerful message to your brain. I act first, comfort comes later. Your brain learns through repetition. When effort comes before reward every morning, resistance drops automatically. Hard work stops feeling like a threat. Rule 3. Create a 10-minute focus block. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Choose your most important task. No multitasking, no perfection. Just start. Your brain doesn't fear hard work. It fears uncertainty. A short defined time limit removes that fear. Once you start, momentum takes over. Most people quit before momentum begins.
Rule 4. Lock your identity before the world wakes up. Say this internally. I'm the type of person who does hard things first. Identity controls behavior more than motivation ever will. When you repeat this daily, your brain looks for proof to confirm it, and proof comes through action. You don't force discipline. You become someone who naturally acts discipline. Rule 5. Reward effort, not outcome. After completing your morning block, allow a small reward. Tea, music, a short walk. Your brain must associate effort with reward, not success with reward. This is how you train long-term consistency. Hard work feels easy when your brain expects it, and your brain expects what you repeat every morning. You don't need a perfect routine. You need a first 30 minutes that trains your mind. Fix your mornings, and the rest of your day stops fighting you.